Each year in Canada, commercial and institutional buildings are responsible for the emission of nearly 131 megatons of CO2. That's equivalent to what 28 million cars produce during a year. For commercial and institutional buildings, a new, more efficient design and the abandonment of fossil fuels could reduce their GHG emissions by up to 70%. The sustainability community brings together a set of small projects, giving access to voluntary carbon markets for the smallest GHG emitters who also want to get involved in climate action. To start a project, the GHG emissions from the energy and waste management sectors of the company are calculated. We then advise on the mechanisms, behavioral changes, or applicable and feasible clean technologies to be put in place in order to effectively reduce this carbon footprint. Then, one or more reduction projects are implemented in the most polluting sectors. After a year, the company's emissions are calculated, and following an external verification, the difference in tons of GHGs is converted into a carbon credit. If a project saves 800 tons of GHGs, 800 carbon credits will be created. The credits are then marketed and sold by Will Solutions, its agents, or through sales platforms, which sells these credits to buyers from all over the world committed to a net zero carbon movement. Finally, 80% of the revenue obtained from the sale of carbon credits is redistributed in money and services to Canadian SMEs, municipalities, and organizations for their involvement in reducing their greenhouse gas emissions. Register and get the support and subsidies available to make your business eco-responsible.